Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is smoothies. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to make peanut butter. This is the peanut that I made. And my last video is this peanut. So just check it out. I'm going to post the link at the description. So you click from there and watch. So I'm going to do peanut butter now. So I have here 2 cups of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. This is honey. For the honey, I'm going to use 1 or 2 tablespoons. This is lemon juice. I will use 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice is for flavor. So I'm going to use the blender. Make sure that there's no water inside the blender. I'll add the peanuts. This peanut is very fine. So I'm going to add the peanut to the blender. The sugar and the salt. One tablespoon of lemon juice. One or 2 tablespoons of honey. So I'm going to cover it and I'll blend. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Can be peanut oil or any oil of your choice. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of the peanut butter that I've just done. As you can see, you can make it loosen more than this. I'm making it to be smoother than this, but I like how this one is. You can make your own smoother than this, as I said. So I'm going to open my bread. I have the bread here. Then I want to spread on it. I'm spreading it this way, this way. It's very delicious. So you will really enjoy it because it's so delicious. So I'm going to cover it. You can refrigerate this. So this is how it is. Then I will enjoy myself. So delicious. Please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Click on the like button, subscribe, share it to your friends, to your neighbors. They will appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.